Hey guys, it's Dr. Aguilar from Helping Hands Massage and Chiropractic, and thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of your weekly healthy news update. A show where we talk about research regarding your health questions, any questions from patients directly, and a lot more. So today's topic is auto accidents. So have you or somebody you know been involved in car accidents? There's new treatment guidelines that combine active and passive therapy treatments that deliver the greatest benefits for those who have been injured. Now, active therapies, these are hands-on therapies, which our patients must physically move their joints and muscles as part of the treatment process. Corrective care exercises, physiotherapy, strengthening exercises, these are some of the examples of active therapies that we do in our office. Passive therapies, these are kinds of techniques that we use during with our patients that do not need to physically move muscles or joints to participate in the process. Things like this can include heat packs, cold packs, ultrasound, electrostimulation. Passive therapies are most appropriate for the patients who are in the early stages of recovery and they're too weak or to physically participate in these active strengthening exercises. In general, the combination of active and passive produce the best results for patients. Both of these therapies work towards achieving the same goal of drug-free pain relief and injury rehab. Both also work towards improving mobility and strengthening the tissues and the muscles to stimulate internal healing. After a car accident, one can experience things like serious neck pain, back pain, and headaches. By integrating these passive and active treatments into the recovery process, we are able to deliver an enhanced pain relief solution for our patients, and this brings a wider range of mobility back to the body faster. Now, we know that you guys have a choice in who you consider for your healthcare needs. We would sincerely appreciate your trust in choosing our office if you ever need our services. So if you, a friend, or a family member need care, we'd be honored to render our services. Please give our office a call at 847-322-2807. Once again, thanks for watching and join us next time for the weekly Healthy News Update. Have a great day.